Welcome to the Nomadic Ink channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today we're going to be doing a science experiment. I have some baking soda, aluminum foil, and some tarnished silver. As everyone knows, silver oxidation is caused when sulfur sticks to the silver through either air particles or contact with surfaces, materials, and skins as you use the silver items. Buildup on the silver is called silver sulfide. So today we're going to try removing the silver sulfides using a little bit of science. We're going to take the baking soda, some boiling water, and the aluminum foil,
and we're going to try to create an electrochemical reaction with the silver. Take the sulfide atoms off the silver and make them stick to the aluminum.
So if you're ready, I'm ready. Sit right back, grab your beaker, and enjoy the show.
Here's all the different pieces of jewelry that I do have. This is all silver. I'm gonna pick this piece right here. It looks the most tarnished, and to be honest, it looks like it's gonna be the easiest one to clean. Now in this step, I'm actually gonna take the tin foil and I'm gonna put it inside of the bracelet, and then I'm also gonna push the tin foil to the outside edge of the bracelet. Now this connection between the aluminum and the silver is what's going to create the electrical chemical reaction that we're trying to get here. I pour the hot water in. As you can see, the baking soda reacts right away and bubbles. That's about the coolest part of this whole process. I'm just using this chopstick to work in the leftover baking soda and making sure it completely dissolves in the hot water. At about this time, I got kind of bored with the process and I had to throw a little bit more baking soda in to, make it more interesting. But normally you just wait here for about 8 to 10 minutes and let this all dissolve and have a chemical reaction. Now on my end of the video, it's been about 10 to 15 minutes and I'm going to pull this out of the baking soda and water. And as you can see, there's a little bit of baking soda left on the item itself. I'm going to go ahead and wash that off of camera, and as you can see, after I've dried it off, it's looking pretty nice, very shiny, a little yellow tint to it just because of the light that I'm using, but I'll switch up the lights later and we can get a clearer picture. Comparing this bracelet to the ring here, you can see the tarnished ring is a lot darker than the nice and shiny clean bracelet. On the top here we have an after, and the bottom we have a before. It's not much of a difference here in the video, but in real life the after is very shiny and came out quite well. I switched up the light that I was using and we got a clearer picture, but still the footage of this does not do it justice.
That was a pretty cool transformation. You can't see how shiny this is on the camera. It doesn't really show so well unless you're comparing it against this ring. Now I do have a few other pieces of silver and we could clean these up in a few other ways, like try different methods of cleaning silver. If you're interested in a series like that, let me know in the comments down below. But this came out pretty good. I look forward to cleaning the rest of my jewelry now that this one kind of outshines the rest. Let me know what you guys think. Like, share, subscribe. You already know how YouTube works. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
We have a lot of videos coming up, soap reviews, drink reviews, and other ideas on the horizon. If you have any suggestions, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. If you're interested in any of this content, go ahead and subscribe. You already know how YouTube works. Hopefully you guys have a great week, weekend, whatever's going on, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.